What is up, guys? TechRex here. So in this video we're going to be drop testing the brand new LG G5. Now the LG phones have always been kind of a favorite of mine to drop test. I started with the LG G3, that didn't do too well. G4 improved, and hopefully G5 will improve even more. Gorilla Glass 4, you can see the unibody is now made of metal and it's a little bit rearranged. The volume rockers are on the left side now instead of being on the back. There's the power button, so it just turns on and off like that. And this is really cool. There's actually a little button right here, and you can just take part of the phone out, removable battery, just like that. But let's just go ahead and see how well this survives two simple drops. We're going to have a side drop just to see how well the phone holds up with those corner impacts, and then that front-facing drop. So that's what we're going to be doing, approximately 5 feet. Let's go ahead and do this. And here is the side drop test for the LG G5. Let's go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Device fell out of frame. We're going to just examine those side drop results. And from what I can see is, guys, we do have some damage. I'm going to have to try and zoom this in. This is very, very difficult to see, but there is a very tiny, small little hairline sliver of a crack going along like this, and it's so hardly noticeable that you really can't see it if you just look carefully, but it's very there. It's definitely present, and it starts from around here and swoops around just like this and ends right here. So that's as far as the top screen. Functionality is still there. Now let's just take a look at a little bit. I want to see that corner where the drop occurred, and you can see there's a little bit of a blemish right here as well. The rest of the corners look to be good. This one is definitely beat up. Wow. Okay, this is all just from a side drop test, so very, very visible blemish on that unibody, and then top one right here is good. So let's go ahead and move on into that front-facing drop test. And the front-facing drop test, here it is in 3, 2, 1. Not a pleasant sight to see. Check it out, guys. So landed perfectly in the frame. I want to get this focused. The entire display is shattered, and I'm going to be testing a few things right now. I'm going to see, hopefully I can still do my normal things. Functionality again is still there. Power button on and off. That works. So just the display, I mean, it's totaled from front to back, very visible. This is a typical front-facing drop, and phone is pretty much done for. So that wraps it up for the LG G5 drop test. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.